Hello everybody, Javier Salazar with Lead Expert. I have a lot of updates for you on the platform. We are doing a full review of the tech that we have, and we're making it faster and more efficient for you. So we're going to start with the contacts, and this is the contact view. The first piece is that you might have already seen this. Your contact page got a little bit slimmer. There's less dead space. It's a little bit tighter and more sleek. So couple of things in here is that there used to be a bar with a whole bunch of actions over here that disappears. That only appears if you select a specific client or a specific contact, then you get that bar again in here, and then you can see more on this side. There's a ton more options and everything. It's only again if you click on it, right? If not, then now you get your smart views, your smart list over here. And then that bar is not in the way because you don't need it if nothing is selected. Second piece is if you click on an actual contact, the contact record has been completely updated. There's a lot of changes, but a couple of main ones is now you have a contact card here at the top that allows you to see who's the owner, if there's any followers. Here's the name of the contact. I can now edit the photo. This is a thing that was requested by a lot of you. You can edit the photo, you can upload from the computer and have an actual photo for that person. This used to be available only during creation. Now you can do it post creation, and then this is a lot tighter, so it allows you to see more information. You can still close your folders and see all of them. And the big change on this side is that now you have the D&D over here as a tab instead of having to scroll all the way down. And then you have your actions, which are basically your workflows over here. If you have activated the client portal, you'll be able to see again that activity over here. But if not, then it's basically just the workflows that are enabled. So it's a lot faster to access them. For some of you that have a lot of fields, you don't have to be scrolling all the way down to get to the area with the actions. At the bottom of that section, we also had opportunities at some point. And now the opportunities moved here into associations. So when you click on this side, you're going to see associations. This bar used to be here at the top. We moved it to the right. And the reason why is that now you can close this column to give you more space, especially for laptops, for the conversation column, right? So back to, you have the activity over here that you're used to. You have the associations. We will include the opportunities, and if you have any companies associated to that contact, your tasks, and the same things that you had before. So your notes, appointments, documents, and payments, right? That is it for the contacts. Oh no, one more thing. You have now workflows down here. If you click on the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see different, shortcuts. And then that should help you just navigate faster. The intention again of all these changes is that it makes you a little bit more productive, saves you time in scrolling, packs information a little bit nicer, so that you don't have to. This is a productivity app at the end of the day, and so we want to make sure that you get to the information faster. Anyway, we have a few more updates, so I'll see you in the next one.